Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2024 Forest River Grey Wolf 29NM. Private, awesome bunk area in the back, master bedroom up front, a lot of nice features, electric awning, solar, ducted AC, nice new interior. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip of the slides in so you can see what you're doing, don't have access to, and travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, your main slide out. It's got your sofa, dinette. Looking forward. Standing in the bathroom looking back. The back is where we're going to start because that's what's so unique about this Grey Wolf floor plan. It has a door for a private bunk area, but it's got like a dinette, two sofa, bunk area. It's a lot going on back here. So we'll take a look at this made into sleeping area, how everything folds, and what it looks like when you're ready to sleep. All right, both jackknife sofas drop down to make beds. You'd have one large sleeping area here. That top bed folds up out of your way. You got different options. You can see you got storage underneath, but you can do one and not the other, or both. Pretty easy to set up and break down. The jackknife sofas, there's more storage there, or leave the table out if you just want a hangout place, and you can put your TV up here as well. You've got storage down low, charging areas, lights throughout. You have a TV hookup in here, blinds, lights in the hallway, storage in the hallway. I said lights, but I meant windows that open. Another spot for a TV, fireplace, does put out electric heat. You've got your driven stereo system, which has USB, HDMI hookups, Bluetooth. You also have your driven sound system. Skylights, roof vents, large windows throughout, all that open. Zebra shades, let in some light, black it out, or roll them up all together. Your kitchen area, you've got the roll-up cover, sink, strainer, cutting board, wash your glasses, soap dispenser, large stainless steel sink. You got drawers throughout. They give you the backers for the TVs. So all you need is the TV to hook to that. You can move it outside, move it to the bunk area. You got options. When you come in, you can scan this for your camera. You've got, check your holding tanks, your lights, your awning, all in one convenient area. Heated holding tanks. Also in the kitchen area, flush mount cover on your range, which is a 3-burner range. LED lights. Down low, you've got the contour with cooking, so a convection oven, air fryer, a lot of different options there. Under the sink, you got some storage, probably a good spot for a small trash can. Exhaust does exhaust outside. Got the nice little wire mesh fronts. This new 12-volt Furrion refrigerator freezer can open from both sides. How awesome is that? So dual hinged, freezer down low, battery disconnect, battery tender, fuse panel, circuit breakers down low. Pantry has got lots of storage throughout. Your thermostat, because you do have ducted AC in this, which is here with the quick cool. Booth dinette set up ready to eat. It does make into a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, here's the table down, ready to sleep. If you need a little bit more room, you can remove these cushions so you get a little more length. And the backs just go like so. Table's in a good position to travel. There is Velcro, which you heard there. And you can store the legs under the bed or under the dinette. You've got storage underneath. Your sofa makes into a bed. Basically, jackknife sofa, like so. Moving on, you've got a door that closes off your bathroom. Solid door. Nice surround shower. Overhead skylight. I'm 6'5". My head touches. So 6'4" or less comfortably, but a nice squared off shower. Nice room around the toilet. Little storage areas. Good sink. Medicine cabinet. In the bathroom, you got a large exhaust fan, AC ducts, and then solid doors on either side. So this sliding door closes off the bedroom. Again, that has its own entry and exit door. More storage there. Charging ports. Hanging storage. And you got cabinet doors on the overhead storage. Lighting. Good storage under the bed, accessible from outside. Charging ports again, windows that have shades, fire escape window. You can purchase that wireless speaker that plugs in here, and more charging areas. Fire escape window, like so. More hanging storage. No carpet. Very nice. 2024 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 29 NM. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Another TV hookup in there. Now you are prepped for a second AC. So easy install there, which would go here. There's your prepping for it. And your thermostat for the second one would be here. But let's head outside, we'll take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front logo, 2 20-pound LP bottles under the cover, power tongue jack. You got your chain and 7-pin holder. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Nice rock guard. 29 NM has got a dry weight of 7,028 pounds. You got tankless water heater. You've got quick drop stabilizer jacks by Lippert. We'll take a look at those. There's a link below. Cable hookup, gutter extensions. You've got convenience light, outside shower with hot and cold, water hookup, black tank flush, and there's your sewer connection and black and gray pull valves. Tinted windows. We're looking at a 50 amp service because you are prepped for 2 ACs. You have a Lippert prep here for a ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got your solar panels, skylight, roof vent, AC. Nice clean roof. You've got backup camera already installed. Your rack on the back bumper holds your spare tire, but it also drops down. I already removed one pin, but you can remove both, and you've got a rack here for bikes, coolers, anything, and you can leave the spare tire like so. Put the pins back in it to keep it level, folding it back up. And hold it in place. Leash latch for the pets when you're camping. A little access door here to put in some extra storage availability. Large assist handles. Power awning with LED lights. You've got a friction hinge on the door so it stays where you leave it, but a nice glass look. Gray Wolf Limited door. Screen door. You're prepped for the shade. You've got the stairs here with the easy adjustable legs. Got the trigger right here. Outside kitchen, refrigerator, ice maker, outside shower, little cooktop here, magnet that holds those doors up. You've got 2 14-inch tires. There's your quick connect for your LP. Outside speakers, power and cable, and then you can bring that TV outside as I mentioned before. There's that exhaust for the range. Little LED light that drops the Grey Wolf logo down on the ground for you. Your second door goes into the bedroom with your more traditional steps. And then your storage area, solar controller, nice clean storage. Again, magnets now that hold those up. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Grey Wolf 29NM. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slide in. She's tight, but you can get through. Got full access to the refrigerator, freezer, to the bathroom. You can always come in this door for access to the bathroom, no problem there. And then you got full access to the bunk area, which has got its own door.